You can see a storm coming, the distant lightning and thunder start the drumming. The wind picks up and blows the trees a-humming. The clouds come in with a darkness that's numbing. We thank you for the storms rolling through, and they're making everything fresh and new. It is fun to stand outside and watch the storm clouds, to feel the wind on your face and hear thunder sounds. Just God giving the plants a drink so they can sprout. On a farm you pray for rain and never to have a drought. We thank you for the storms rolling through, and they're making everything fresh and new. Sometimes the lightning is close with a big flash, a big clap of thunder, with a sound that lasts and lasts. The rain gets louder and louder, coming down fast. The wind blowing it sideways with a large blast. We thank you for the storms rolling through, and they're making everything fresh and new. Nice to sit on a country porch and watch the rain, or to climb in bed and go to sleep without strain. When a storm is coming, I don't complain, as I know its sounds will soothe the brain. And I thank you, God, for making it rain.